How many times have you wanted to turn a lecture or a delivery into active tasks but weren't sure where to begin? Were unsure how all students could meet the goals and take away what you hoped they would take away from your lesson? Well, these materials will give you a rather straightforward way to turn your lectures into active brain-based classes. In fact, you can use your lectures for cheat sheets so that students have materials to look at and refer to, ensuring they are accurate in their facts. You will receive a table of contents in this product so that you can use the materials in as incremental ways as you choose to make sure you're using your own best teaching approach. And the brain-based should enhance what you already enjoy doing and do well. You'll start, for example, with two-footed questions. And you'll ask questions such as, if you were teaching a lesson on ENT, what should you know about your blood and why? A two-footed question means that one foot probes the content deeply and one foot engages or interests the students and takes the student capabilities into account. You will find more examples and explanations of two-footed questions and a research piece on Johns Hopkins University to show you what a two-footed question consists of and how they could make your lessons come alive. Then you'll have templates so that you can target two observable student takeaways with many examples. You will then have 5 criteria displayed to show what expectations or what to expect in assignments or lesson tasks. The exciting part comes then when you have many examples and a template of moving students' mental resources into action through multiple intelligences and active brain-based tasks. Finally, you will reflect with students at the end of lessons using the templates here to ensure they can apply what they learned beyond your class. Sound doable? Put together, these 8 or so, maybe 7 lessons come together with a unit, and this template allows you to see a bird's eye view of what that unit would look like in order to enjoy top learning adventures designed to unleash more hidden and unused intelligences. So you'll accomplish things with your students never before accomplished simply by using parts of the brain never before used. I use the Namungos here, which are fantasy characters who show real brain parts. The students love learning about their awesome brains. The templates can be attained individually at these URLs, one for the lesson, one product for the units, and one product for assessments, or they can be attained in a complete bundled unit which has all 3 at a reduced cost. And the URL for each of those is here. So the one we're talking about here then is the templates for the unit. And to go with that, there are also extra products for the lesson and for the assessments. It's all quite straightforward when you do it step by step, as these templates allow you to do with no extra prep involved other than coming up with your lesson questions and following through with these templates. You'll see new neurodirections from life-changing brain facts in these materials. You'll also have access to additional materials for any topic you teach in the resources. Finally, please do contact me. Do leave a brief positive review if you find these templates for brain-based lessons and units and assessments helpful. But do also contact me if there are any other ways that my brain-based materials could address your needs. I'll be so honored to help you in any ways possible. To leave a comment or a question, hit on the Ask a Question tab to the right of the Rating tab on my TPT site. The site's called Ellen Weber Brain-Based Tasks for Upper Grades. I hope these lesson templates bring you the kind of support, make your job easier and your students more enthused, all the things you deserve the best.